Check out the Duex Plus portable laptop monitor that offers a display screen at 13.3 inch. It is ideal for presenting, gaming, teaching, or multitasking. This is the Mobile Pixels Duex Plus. It is a portable laptop monitor with a screen size of 13.3 inch. It is ideal for professionals and people who wish to multitask with ease. The viewing angle on the Duex Plus can be adjusted up to 270 degrees. It offers an optional kickstand so that you can view it in portrait mode. The Duex Plus has got a gyroscope that will enable the device to quickly auto-rotate when switching from a right hand orientation to a left hand orientation. We will show you how this is done later. It also features a hybrid signal technology that enables the display to work with different laptops. So let's unbox this and set it up. So this is what you see once you remove the cover of the box. It has got a setup guide, and you can scan the QR code or visit the link. At the back, you have the attachment guide with instructions on how to mount the portable laptop monitor to your laptop. Next, you have the portable laptop monitor. It's fairly lightweight, and here are the 4 magnets. Right below the monitor, you've got the magnets locations template. You have got the instructions and the extra adhesives. So this is what is inside. It has got the instructions, the adhesive, and the alcohol wipe. Finally, in box, you've got the cable. This is a USB-A, and this is an attachment in case your laptop doesn't have got a USB-C port. Let's take a look at the Duex Plus portable monitor. At the side, it has got 2 Type-C ports. One is a back charging port and the other is a signal port. Over here, you've got the menu buttons, and for its dimensions, at the thickness, it is only 0.25 inch thick. As you can see over here, this is the thinnest spot. It is made of PC ABS plastic and robust aluminium, making it lightweight and portable. It is compatible with Microsoft as well as Mac OS, and for Android phones and tablets for Samsung Dex supported devices only. It even supports Nintendo Switch. At the back, you can see the 4 metallic plates that is used to mount onto the back of the laptop, and this is the screen, which you can slide it out. So this is the laptop that we want to mount the portable monitor. The laptop screen opens up this way. To mount the portable screen, you align it and center it as shown. Then you remove the adhesive. As we have got the logo over here, we will put it slightly to the right for this particular magnet. Next, align it and simply paste it down. With the portable monitor mounted onto the laptop cover, let's plug in the USB cable to connect the portable monitor to the laptop. Connect the cable to the USB-C port. Next, connect the USB-C cable into the USB-A, and with that, plug it into the USB port on the laptop. You can pull out the mobile screen. You can see that there is no signal. We're going to need to install the driver. So open your browser. From the browser, key in the following URL. This will bring you to the download drivers page. Once installed, you can now use the portable monitor. The Duex Plus portable monitor also supports USB-C connectivity directly to the laptop, and this will not require any software installation. You can see that the portable monitor will instantly power on for a USB-C connectivity. Next, we'll show you the possible uses for this monitor. Let's skip the monitor and flip it to the other side. You can change the orientation from right to left simply by removing the monitor and flip it over to the left side. And now you can pull out the monitor for use on the left side. Now the monitor is on the left side. Let's switch the screen to duplicate. With the duplicate screen, you can even have a presentation with your customer seated directly in front of you, and he will be able to see the screen. Let us show you how it's done. Pull the monitor and you can just turn it to the other side. And now you have a monitor that is duplicated on both sides. So this is the Mobile Pixels Duex Plus monitor. We have just shown you the unboxing, the setup using USB-A and USB-C connectivity to two different laptops, as well as how to use the monitor.